Hello and welcome to today's Kit Monster demonstration. Our items today are the ammunition pouches from the Osprey armour system. These are all modular pouches, so molly or POWS fittings. You can see on the back here, strapping and press stud closure. The footprint for all of these pouches is the same. So it's 2 wide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 high. The pouches, while similar in design, certainly across these three, have different capacities, and we're going to talk you through today capacity for each pouch. So starting here with the open top, this is an IA magazine pouch, or sometimes called a CQB for close quarter battle, or a bungee ammunition pouch. This will take a single mag. It works well with magazines with a mag pull on the top, making it easier to pull those out. Strapping on the front to attach additional pouches as required. This is an adaptable pouch and it will take various types of magazine. It's intended for one NATO 5.56 magazine. It will take also AK-74 and AK-47. We've also seen these used as a field expedient pistol holster. Certain service automatics including Glock, Browning and SIG will fit into this with the bungee as a retainer. It's not ideal, but if it's all you have, it will work. Moving on then to the single magazine pouch. This is exactly as described. It takes one NATO 5.56 30 round magazine. It's a low profile magazine. It's a good one to put on the front of armour. This will accommodate one NATO magazine. It will also accommodate AK-74 type. The 47 type is not such a great fit. The mag release here will catch on that, so you're better off putting it in rounds up. It will close over the top of that, but the closure might not be to everyone's liking. This is the 2 magazine ammunition pouch. The label on the back states SA82 magazine ammunition pouch. So as you'll be able to guess, this takes 2 times NATO 30 round 5.56 magazines. So 2 NATO magazines. We'll also accept AK. This way round, as we mentioned previously with the single mag pouch, the mag catches if you place it in there rounds down. It's not a great fit for 2 AK mags. I wouldn't consider it to be secure. Suggest that you only use it for 1. It's easier to get in and out of there because there's a bit more space. We'll also take 74 mags. And lastly, we have the sharpshooter ammunition pouch. This is intended for 2 times 7.62 sharpshooter magazine, 20 rounds. It fits those. The depth of the pouch, ideally you need to put a mag pull or a loop on the top of these, or the base plate, to make it easier to get them out. It's also the only magazine pouch from the Osprey range, or the Osprey suite, which will accept 3 magazines. 3 times 30 round 5.56 magazine in the sharpshooter is an easy fit, giving you a higher capacity and comparable capacity to the previous issue PLCE ammunition pouch. Hook and loop Velcro closure allows it to be closed down over 2 magazines if a lower load is carried. An alternate use for the 2 magazine ammunition pouch is as a trauma pouch. This was something that was mentioned in the paperwork documentation that came out for Project Pain when Fight Light was first being discussed in the British Army. That the Osprey issue and the Virtus pouch, which is also based on the Osprey, was quite a bulky med pouch. It's great as a patrol medic's pouch or to carry additional med kit. If you just need to carry kit for yourself, or you want to reduce your load, then a single dressing, a single cap tourniquet will fit into one of these pouches. I'll demonstrate here, 6-inch dressing, the cap tourniquet, and there'll be space in here to get a Siloom Sharpie marker in there and the EMT shears as well. And this takes up a lot less space on your belt, your vest, wherever it is that you need to mount this, and it's 2 wide rather than 4 wide as you would do with the standard issue medical pouch. An additional option for the single magazine pouches is to add a Kydex insert. Usually these are associated with private purchase pouches, open top pouches, which would have a corresponding panel of loop inside to hold this Kydex insert in place. The Kydex holds the magazine in place. It means that you don't have to use a closure such as bungee or the flap to keep the magazine secure. While the Osprey pouches don't have the corresponding hook and loop panel inside, these will fit inside and stay inside the pouches. Push it all the way to the bottom, and the shape of the Kydex insert will still guide the magazine in. Magazine fits in and it's secure. Pull it out, you get only the magazine, the insert stays in place. So to those of you on a budget or have already set up their rig with Osprey pouches, you can add the Kydex to give you that swift reload and swift access to magazines without breaking the bank or having to refit your entire rig with new ammunition pouches. The same works for the single ammunition pouch. For the single ammunition pouch with the flap, again, the Kydex will fit securely all the way down to the bottom of the pouch. Magazine is guided in and it's secure. That's not coming out of there, even when it's loaded. You can then use the pouch closure for security of the magazine and give it some protection from the elements. Open it, and the flap can be fed in behind the Kydex insert, and the magazine refitted into the Kydex, and it's secure. The flap's out of the way, you've got a swift reload, and the flap is available to you when you need it, magazine still being secure. Another ammunition pouch available on the Osprey system is a single pistol. Does what it says. Single pouch holds a pistol magazine. These are also suitable for some types of flashlight or for a multi-tool. Modular fittings on the rear, 1 wide by 1, 2, 3, 4 high. The addition of a Kydex insert gives you an inexpensive open top quick load pistol ammunition pouch. While it has hook on the back here and there's no corresponding hook inside this pouch, it is enough just by tension alone to stay inside the pouch. Slip it inside, pistol magazine in, draw the magazine, Kydex stays inside. What this allows you to do is update your load, your rig, with the speed of Kydex, cheapness of Osprey, and the security of an optional flap. If you have no need for this flap, it can be heat cut away and leave you with an open top pouch, just for the cost of the insert as opposed to a whole new pouch with the insert inside as well.